What's going on, everyone? Welcome to another episode of Stoic Outdoors. If you guys are new to this channel, my name is Joaquin, your host, and if you enjoy South Texas fishing and hunting videos, subscribe today. We're here at the Port Mansfield boat ramp doing the intro, bro. Gonna be going out with Tails Up Charters, Jacob Garza. Hopefully we can get on some fish. Gonna be targeting redfish and trout, man. Wish us some luck.
Root beer shark, midnight mullet. What are you talking today?
I'm gonna do the intro, Jacob. Wade fishing Port Mansfield with Mr. Jacob, Tails Up Charters. What is it, 3 feet?
Yeah, it's about 2.5 feet right now.
2.5 feet. Throw in this color because I want to see if I can catch a fish. I haven't used it in about probably 2 months, man. Goal is to catch a fish that's been left outside for 2 months. No procure, nothing.
Just that garlicky goodness.
Just a garlicky smell, man.
Is the boat moving too much, or? Yeah, could you enter it real quick? Yeah.
Yeah. Is that a mullet over there?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was a bird.
Like right there to your left, right? Yeah.
I'll leave you a lane right here, bro. I'll scoot a little to the left. I'm touching the bottom.
Grass?
Little baby trout. That was a weird one. It was like running at me. First fish of the day. 2-month-old lure. You gonna get that Ford Bronco for your wife or what, bro?
Yeah.
Are you really?
Ford?
You gonna get the actual Bronco?
Yeah, I'm gonna get the actual Bronco.
When do those come out? June?
Yeah, June, July.
Those are like what, 60, right, or something?
No, they're in the mid-40s.
Are they really?
Yeah.
I was waiting for them too, but the new ones that came out. Oh, you saw that tail, bro? Like 50 yards in front of you? That's a red. Like 5 yards past my lure.
Probably get about another 10 minutes here. No one hooks up. We'll keep going.
Aye, aye, Captain. But it's a fish. A nice trout? Yeah. Do it for the camera. Red? Huh?
I think I'm gonna spring a leak in my wader.
Oh no. Are those Sims?
Yeah, there we are.
It was windy when we were coming out. That's weird, right? Yeah. Yeah, same. Nice trout. Oh, I just hooked it weird. That's a red.
Trout?
It's a red. Felt like a trout, man. I was all excited. Like right at 20.
That way he can swim down. Right the nuts.
You saw it? He flapped me. Oh yeah. Big red? Yeah. Nice. So I heard the drag peeling off pretty good. So I kept looking over thinking it was a redfish, but it was his maybe his third or fourth time going out fishing, and all of a sudden I hear him say, "It's a speckled trout." And I was like, "Man, that's got to be a big fish." So I walked over as fast as I could after I told Jacob. That's a big trout, bro. Pick it up, pick it up. That's a big trout, Jacob. Jacob. It's a big trout.
That's what he's got?
Yeah.
Really? Oh boy.
It's a monster or what? Oh yeah. We thought it was a red, man, but it's a big trout. It's a big trout.
Let him grow, let him go, let him grow.
Yeah, she's fat too, so it's probably... Damn, bro. Good job, man.
Thank you.
Woo!
No, she's about 26. 27 maybe. Big girl.
Yeah, she's fat, man.
Okay, the way you want...
Push it out just a little bit, like towards me. There you go. Gives it a little extra little...
Is you want to put her in the water, and then you hold her here. And you want to wiggle her like this until she gives you a nice kick.
How was it, bro?
What's that?
How do you wiggle it?
Like this. There you go. Now give her some wiggles. Releasing a nice, beautiful big trout.
Dang, she was ready to go.
Yeah, she was ready.
Nice, man. Captain Jacob. Yes, sir. Nice, dude. Good job.
Good job.
So after that trout, I ended up catching a nice redfish, but that's going to be a separate video. I just wanted to talk to you guys about a few things. Number one, thank you guys for subscribing, liking, and watching all of my videos. Number two, I hope everyone is safe. I know that freeze took a big toll on us down here in the Rio Grande Valley. And number three, we had been practicing CPR for a while now, especially with big speckled trout. So I'm going to be continuing to do that. But ultimately, it's your decision. I just wanted to have a quick discussion about it. If you guys just want to comment down below, hashtag CPR, hashtag catch and release, and let me know what you guys plan on doing for 2022. Make sure you guys subscribe. Thank you for everyone that has been watching my videos. I am almost at 4,500 subscribers. Once we hit 5,000, going to be doing a really big giveaway with AM fishing lures, trophy line stringers, and of course I'm going to be putting some of my merchandise out there. So make sure you guys stay safe.